My name is Robert, this is Juan. I'm the owner of Think Vacuums, and we're going to introduce the best central vacuum on the market today. Absolutely the best, the most strongest, the best warranty, and this is why. This vacuum is designed for up to 4,000 square feet. It is the quietest vacuum on the earth today of central vacuums. It is also the most powerful within 0 to 4,000 square feet. I'm going to introduce you to Juan right now. He's more techie, and he's going to tell you more about the vacuum, and go with it.
Hey, how's everybody doing today? This beauty right here is called a Drain Vac Little Giant. Beautiful European dome mount motor, decibel levels under 56, so it's super quiet. You're looking at 670 air watts. Air watts are the best measurement of suction there is. The strongest in its class, like Robert was saying. You're looking at a beautiful strong unit that'll last you forever. Lifetime warranty on the unit. Can't beat that. Super quiet, as I said. Perfect for homes up to 4,000 square feet. So one of the perks of using a unit like this is that you have the benefit of a hybrid unit. Hybrid meaning you can use it bagged or bagless. There are a few pros and cons of using it bagless, but bagged is really the way to go. It's the way we suggest. Now if you want, of course, if you're used to it, to each his own, you could definitely go bagless. If you want to find a little more information on that, we have a huge informative article on our website where you can actually look at all the benefits, pros, cons of going bagless. Now another amazing benefit of this unit is that you have the beautiful translucent canister. The benefit of the canister is you don't have to have any fancy indicator lights or stuff that can go wrong. This, you can actually see where the debris is filled up to. I'm old school. You know, this is a great company. They believe in hitting you with the best product.
So I'm going to take it back from here. The vacuum is designed again for up to 4,000 square feet. If you want the quietest vacuum, the easiest to maintain, as well as the strongest vacuum, you're going to want this vacuum. This is the one that we love. This is the one that sells the most and gives us the less problems. People don't call back with saying, hey, you know what, this vacuum is giving me problems, this is 10 years old. I mean, they just don't. So it's quality is what you're buying into when you buy this brand. Call us today at 1-800-322-2965 or look at our website at www.thinkvacuums.com. We'll see you again.